It is a little after lunch on April the 9th, and I am paddling out, and we have got steady 10-mile-an-hour winds. Gusts are up to 25, so I'm gonna go try to get back in some of these channels and see if we can find something. Tomorrow's Good Friday, got that day off, but got a cold front coming in tonight. Today is in the mid to low 70s, supposed to get down in the mid 30s tonight, and high tomorrow 57. So I'm hoping maybe I can catch somebody out here trying to feed up and be safe while doing it, because it is definitely windy. So I'm definitely gonna have to be in these nooks. I'm ready to get across this lake right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. A little bit crazy. But anyway, let's go see if we can find something. I appreciate it. I appreciate it very much, and let's go see what we can do. I'll be back. Whew, it's a little rough. I'm going back across to the other side to try to maybe get out of it, but it is a little bit crazy out here. 25 mile an hour. I think it's gusting at 30, 40. This three waters, big fish is going on. I feel like maybe if I can get over here and go down this other side, I'll be able to main channel win some, is what I'm praying for. It is rough, getting me out of breath fighting, and I am fighting it. That was, when it gusts, boy. That's crazy. This morning, the lake was like glass. I could see schools. I mean, I was, so beautiful this morning. But I had to get done with my day as much as I could. And, well, this is what we got now. I'm just kind of shocked at these gusts. It's got to be so beautiful. But let me get over here and see the best way to approach this, because I want to fish. I don't want to fish in the cold tomorrow. I want to fish now. Oh goodness, let's keep on paddling. Man, I'm thinking seriously I may have to invest in the Big Fish 108 pedal drive, or I'm gonna look like Pop by the time I'm done with all this. I'll be back. Sure how the sound is, you can hear me, but it has blew so hard it has picked these people's umbrella up, possibly their table, up here in front of me, and threw it in the water. It's a little bit rough out here today, I'm not gonna lie. I've been trying to throw spinner bait, let it go to the bottom, and just trying to maybe see if I can find a little something. It'd be nice to get one. If I could get one, I think I'd call it. But I'm here, so I'm gonna fish. Just keep watching my back. It's white capping behind me so bad. Man, well, I caught me one of those. Yeah, that ain't worth nothing. Just been trying to find places like this to try to get out of that main channel wind, because lordy, it's rough. I mean, can you see it white capping out there? I don't know. It's crazy. I bet if I picked that umbrella up and held it up in front of me, right there was a bite. Shoot, it bumped it. Speed it up a little bit. All right, let's paddle on up. Oh goodness, this is crazy. I'll tell you what, I feel stable. If I was in that first kayak I had, I mean, it was a good kayak, but I would not even thought about coming out here at all. Let's cast right here a couple times. You take off these rocks, sunny, mid-April almost. We can find something. Must have been a rock or something. Felt like I had something. And only one more before I get washed into the banks here. I'm gonna burn this one down through there a little bit. As Kevin Van Dam says, burn them as fast as you can, get a reaction fight if they're in there. Nope, not right now. Okay, well, let me go and try to find another nook or something where I feel safe at. I like to help these people, but I don't know how to do it, and I sure don't want to get turned over trying to help them. I'll be back. I caught here. Don't get super excited, but this is crazy. If I can get settled here, I hope you can hear this wind. I apologize. Now, you tell me how in the world. Look at this. Oh, goodness. It is hard fishing out here. Woo! I'll be back. I'm gonna be honest with you. Unless I can find a calmer place, I'm gonna have to call it. It's just constant battling. Don't feel the safest when I get broadsided to these waves. Whew. It is beating on me like crazy. It's a beautiful day. Had good intentions, but I just don't know. Anything over about 15, probably about over 12, honestly. It's just probably just a little too much to be out here trying to paddle and fight. As much as I'd like to catch one. Let's see if maybe by chance we can toss one more. That's something on the bottom. Battling in the water against the current makes it feel like it's got something, and it don't, of course. Man, I really like to catch fish. Let's try to go to Old Trusty one time. Would be nice to pull one out of there. Tree branches or something there, I think. I may have just had a fish on that. I'm not 100%. I can't even tell. All right, one more cast. One more cast in this windstorm. Come on, one little fish. Come on. Pop that a couple times, make it dance. Man. I should have took a Dramamine. Good Lord. Excuse me. It ain't looking too good. All right, let's turn around before I get washed in this boat down. Try maybe a couple more times. Be back. I don't know if you can hear me or not with all this wind. I do apologize, but I'm gonna call it. It's just a little too much for me. Might try it again tomorrow. 57 degrees, but I think the wind's supposed to blow up until about Saturday, so we'll see. we'll probably post this anyway. Fishing in the wind or hurricane force winds. Goodness gracious. But I appreciate it. Thanks for watching NC Yak Angler. Keep hitting that like and subscribe button. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I appreciate it very much. Just keep on watching. Oh, I'll turn this off in 1 second as soon as I can get my hands free. Goodness gracious. I'll be back in a few days. God bless. Stay safe.